Today we are going to be rereading about the Native Americans who lived in the Southwest. I want you to try to read along with me. I know a lot of people just listen, but I want you to read along with me. The hot, dry desert of the Southwest was where the Hopi, the Navajo, and the Zuni lived. The Hopi built clay houses high on flat-topped mountains called mesas. Hopi means the peaceful ones, but some tribes who lived nearby were not so peaceful. They raided Hopi villages and stole food and blankets. That's one reason why the Hopi built their homes in high, hard-to-reach places to stay safe from their enemies. And if an enemy did reach a Hopi home, he would have a hard time ever getting inside. Instead of front doors, homes had holes in their roofs with ladders that could be pulled inside quickly. It was not easy to farm in the desert where so little rain fell. Without rain, crops would not grow, and people would starve. So each year, the Hopi prayed for rain. Hopi priests would dance holding snakes in their mouths. Then the snakes were set free to carry Hopi prayers back to special spirits. The zigzagging bodies of the snakes in the sand reminded the Hopi of the lightning that would come with the rain.